In this session, we will learn about File menu in GIMP. These are 6 operations that we will see in this video. Creating a new file, opening an existing file, open location, open recent option, saving a file, and the last one is saving a file in different format. First operation that we will see is creating a new file. New option of file menu is used to create a new file. The steps to create a new file are: select new option from the file menu. The create a new image dialog box appears. Type the height and the width. The default unit is pixels, denoted by px. But you can change by selecting from available options in the drop down menu. Click on Advanced Options. Here you can change the resolution. 72 dpi, that is dot per inch, is best resolution for display on computer screen. You can choose RGB or grayscale for color space option. Using Fill With option, you can click the down arrow and choose from the available options: foreground color, background color, white, transparency, or pattern. Click OK. A blank file is created. Now you can see both horizontal and vertical rulers. Horizontal and vertical rulers helps us to position things accurately. Next operation that we will see is how to open an existing file. This option is used to open an already saved image created in GIMP or any other image. We can open an image created in GIMP or any other image by following the steps given below. Select Open option from File menu. The open image windows appear. Select the folder, file, and click Open button. Next operation that we will see is Open location. This option is used to open an image if URL, that is web address, of the image is known. The steps are: select File, Option submenu. The Open location dialog box appear. Specify the URL. You can open an image in any browser and copy image address. Now paste it here and click Open. Next operation that we will see is Open Recent option. This option is used to open recently opened files in GIMP. The steps are: select File and click on Open Recent. A list of most recently opened images is displayed. Click to open the desired image. Next operation that we will see is saving a file. Whenever you save a file in any software, you give a file name in the Save As dialog box and click Save button, and an extension is automatically added to the file name. This file extension is different for different softwares. To save a file in GIMP, follow the steps. Select Save option from File menu. The Save Image dialog box appears. Select the desired folder. Type the file name and click Save button. By default, a file in GIMP is saved with extension .xcf. That stands for Experimental Computing Facility. Next operation that we will see is saving a file in different format. We can also save an image in different format other than .xcf. The steps to do so are: select Export option from the File menu. The Export Image dialog box appears. Select the drive and the folder. In the name box, type the file name with extension, say gimp.gif or gimp.jpg or gimp.png. I am saving it with gimp.gif. Click Export button. Thank you.